Hi, I'm Steve. Today we're looking at pickup truck bed mats from Boomerang Rubber. Boomerang is one of the only bed mat manufacturers in the USA, and each mat's pressed from 100% recycled rubber. Plus, each mat can be cut to length to fit your specific vehicle. Bed mats are available to fit all makes of trucks: Ford, Chevy, GMC, Ram, Dodge. Once you've selected the right make, the mat is marked so it's easy to cut it to fit your specific truck bed. Each mat's designed to provide durable, long-lasting protection for your truck bed. Rubber mats offer non-skid protection. The 5/16" thick mat helps cushion your cargo, prevents items from sliding, and can protect against scratches. Bed mats manufactured by Boomerang Rubber are built to withstand weather and keep their form even in extreme temperatures.